there, makeup mavens! Today we're diving into a classic beauty battle, Dipliner versus eyeliner. These two essential products often cause confusion, so let's settle the score once and for all. Welcome to our ultimate showdown where we'll compare and contrast these eye-defining favorites. Let the duel begin. First things first, let's clarify the difference between Dipliner and eyeliner. Both serve the purpose of defining the eyes, but there is a subtle contrast. Eyeliner refers to any product used to line the eyes, while Dipliner specifically refers to a double-ended eyeliner with a thin tip for precision and a thicker tip for a bolder look. So, Dipliner is essentially a type of eyeliner, but they each have their unique features. When it comes to application, the technique plays a significant role. Traditional eyeliner, whether in pencil, gel, or liquid form, offers versatility. You can create various styles from a soft, smudged look to a sharp-winged cat eye. However, mastering the perfect wing might take some practice. Dipliner, on the other hand, streamlines the process for creating the classic winged look. With its dual tips, you can achieve a precise, thin line along the lashes and effortlessly flick out a symmetrical wing with a thicker end. It's a great option for those who struggle with creating even wings with regular eyeliner. When it comes to intensity and finish, both eyeliner and Dipliner have their merits. Traditional eyeliner typically provides a range of finishes from matte to glossy, depending on the product and your preference. Pencil eyeliners may offer a softer, smokier effect, while liquid or gel eyeliners tend to deliver more bold and defined lines. Dipliners, while often available in a matte finish, are specifically designed to deliver a consistent intensity throughout the line, including the wing. This makes it easier to achieve a crisp, dramatic look without switching products or brushes. Long-lasting wear and smudge-proof capabilities are vital for any eyeliner. Traditional eyeliners vary in their staying power depending on the formulation and brand. Some may stay put all day, while others might smudge or fade more easily, especially in humid conditions or on oily eyelids. Dipliners, particularly those formulated with long wear properties, tend to be more resistant to smudging and fading. Since the wings are a focal point of this look, having a liner that stays in place all day is a game changer for many beauty enthusiasts. Versatility is a significant factor for makeup lovers who like to experiment with different looks. Traditional eyeliners, as mentioned earlier, offer a wide range of possibilities. You can go for a subtle daytime look or amp it up for a glamorous evening appearance. Dipliners, though they excel in creating that perfect winged look, may have limited versatility compared to traditional eyeliners. They're best suited for occasions where the winged style takes center stage. The end of the day calls for makeup removal, and the ease of cleaning up your eyeliner matters. Regular eyeliners usually come off easily with a makeup remover, especially if they are water-based or oil-based. Dipliners, with their long wear and smudge-resistant formulas, might require a bit more effort to remove completely. However, some people find the trade-off worth it for the impressive staying power. And there you have it, the Dipliner versus eyeliner showdown. Traditional eyeliner brings versatility and various finishes to the table, making it a staple in many makeup collections. On the other hand, Dipliners simplify the process of achieving the elusive winged look, perfect for those who desire a foolproof application. Ultimately, the choice between Dipliner and eyeliner depends on your preference, skill level, and the specific look you want to achieve. So, whether you're a classic cat eye enthusiast or a winged liner lover, embrace your style and rock it with confidence. As always, thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting beauty battles and makeup tips. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep experimenting. Goodbye!